finally the brackets came in for the roof rack. So I can, it's been long enough, I've been getting a little impatient, wanting to see how it fits on the vehicle, and it looks like today is going to be the day. The brackets themselves are pretty standard rain gutter brackets, so that's what we're gonna do. Mitchie, how do you propose we do it? Should we clamp it and then fit it on the roof and see to mark off where we're gonna drill the holes and put the bolts, I mean the screws? Or should we put them on the roof kind of straight and then measure? Huh?
Do it that way.
Which way? Yeah, I'm not sure which way would be the better one, the better way to do it. It's kind of, the width of the rack has been like guesswork for me, and I guess I should have gotten the brackets first. Hopefully I was on the mark, more or less. I guess we'll have to see. Okay, Mitch, get the measuring tape. I guess I have to completely take this off in order to fit it. Put it more or less straight and go to the outside hole. Got it? Okay, 50 inches. Let's see what we have. As long as it's not shorter, I don't even remember the measurements anymore. Oh, 50 inches, it's all the way here. It's perfect, actually. I kind of wanted to get screws that would be black, but our local hardware supply store didn't have anything like that. Ready to go up. I guess we can do it in stages. And we'll lift it, put it down. Okay, I'm gonna hold it, get on the wheel. Okay, are you fitting? Huh? You see, the rear needs to be brought up, right? What size is this nut?
9/16.
Oh!
Better do it with the small one, all of them, because I can't reach the big one if you want it on the back side.
Huh?
You'll have to use the small little one for all of it.
Well, you do that side, I'll finish my smoke, I'll do this side. Alright, here it is. Up in the vehicle. I think I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. Looking at it mounted, I'm kind of wondering if those rail supports, if I should have made it a little bit shorter. But that's just a matter of aesthetics. It's going to be a good workhorse. It feels pretty strong, and after a little bit of labor, I think I like the way it came out and saved me quite a few dollars. Yep. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.